Hello to all the wonderful humans on the internet. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and welcome to day 4 of my Navratri series, and today's color is, guys can guess, it's red. Can I be more obvious? So today's topic is how to build your skincare routine. I know skincare, at least nowadays, can get very intimidating. There's so many actives, there's so many products. So how do you start to build your skincare routine? Today's video is going to be all about that. So buckle up. Let's start. Now, before I start with the routine that you guys should follow, you have to know this one thing, because without this one thing you cannot build your own skincare routine, and that is to know your skin type. If you don't know your skin type, stop here, go to my video where I perform a test or multiple tests to know your skin type, understand what a skin type is, and then come back to this video. We'll be waiting here for you, and then you can watch this video, because you cannot build your own skincare routine without knowing your skin type. Now, there are 3 steps in the morning that are absolutely necessary, and that is face wash, moisturizer and sunscreen, and at night it is face wash and moisturizer. That is it. These are the necessary things that you need in your skincare routine. Okay, there are additional things that you can add in your skincare routine, like serums, face masks and exfoliators. Now, let's come back to the necessary items. The first one is face wash. You need a face wash in the morning and at night, because there's a lot of dirt and grime and oil on your face, and just water does not remove it, especially with oily combination skin types. So you need a face wash. Second, you need a good moisturizer, because we all know water can dry out your skin. So to compensate the process of cleaning, you need a good moisturizer which suits your skin type. And in the morning, we need a sunscreen, because sun damage and UV rays are the major causes of so many skin related issues, and obviously skin cancer too, which is why you should apply sunscreen to your face and to your whole body every single day. It doesn't matter if you're sitting at home or going outside. Good. If you don't know, or if you're confused about sunscreens, I have a full video about that. I'm going to link it here. Please go and watch it if you are interested. Now, the most necessary things at night are a face wash and moisturizer. Here the moisturizer can be thick, nice and rich, so that it gives you nice moisturization throughout the night, because your skin does get drier, especially if you're sleeping in an air conditioned room. Now that this is done, I would like you guys to write 3 skincare goals, 3 or maximum 4 skincare goals that you want from your skincare routine. I'll tell you mine. First is to control my sebum production, because I have oily, acne prone skin. I need to control that oil. Second is to prevent acne. If I get the acne, then to cure it. And third is to reduce dark spots, because I do get a lot of dark spots. Can't help it, I have acne prone skin. And after you've written down these 3 or 4 goals, not more than 4, you need to identify the actives or the skincare products that will give you these goals, and only then you go and buy the products. After you've written down the goals, let's come to serums. Now, I absolutely love serums, and all the actives that I use in my skincare routine comes from serums. So I would say that you should add serums in your skincare routine. But if you're just starting out, I'd suggest start with just cleansing, moisturizing and sunscreens for at least like a month or 2, and then you can start including serum in your skincare routine. Now, I'm going to share with you all the actives and the ingredients that you should look for. For acne treatments, these are the ingredients. For dark spots, these are the ingredients that you should look for, and these are the ingredients that you should look for getting good and intense hydration. You can click a screenshot if you want of the actives and look for these ingredients in the ingredient list of the product that you're buying. These are for intense moisturization for dry skin types. Then these ingredients are really great to reduce inflammation. These are to reduce and regulate sebum production. And these are chemical exfoliators to treat your skin texture. Last but not the least, anti-aging ingredients. So for me, the actives are To reduce sebum production, it's niacinamide. To prevent acne, it's salicylic acid. To cure acne is either benzoyl peroxide or kojic acid. And for dark spots, I use vitamin C slash alpha arbutin. Now these are the actives that I want in my skincare routine, but it does not mean that I'm going to start with all of these at once. Now out of these goals, tell me which is your first goal, which is your second goal, and which is your third goal. Now according to the goals, you should buy products according to your priority, and also according to which products you can mix and not mix. Now these skincare goals can keep changing, like I do include retinol also as an anti-aging serum, but in that case I will not use salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide or kojic acid. Okay, at a time only 3 or maximum 4 goals, because your skin also cannot bear so many actives at once. Cool. Now let's move on to exfoliation. I feel exfoliation is very important if you want clear, glowing, beautifully healthy skin. You guys know I'm not a fan of physical exfoliators, so I wouldn't recommend any. In fact, I would recommend good chemical exfoliators. Now let's move on to masks. Masking is important. Do not use masks too much. You can use it once a week if you're interested. I like masking. I usually use clay masks because oily skin. You can obviously use hydrating masks if you have dry normal skin. You can use different masks on your face, multi-masking for combination skin types. Now I know that it can be a bit confusing, but narrowing down the actives that you want is going to be the key to make a successful and effective skincare routine. So I hope this video has helped you guys, and I hope that the people who are watching who don't have a skincare routine get this boost of confidence to include a skincare routine in the days to come. Boys, girls, equal, start with a simple skincare routine. That's it. Today was day 4, guys. I think this is one of my favorite looks so far. I don't want to remove it. Be ready for day 5. Hope you guys would like it. And that's it. If you like the video, please don't forget to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.